Hey you guys, this is take 5 of the video, so let me try to be quick and not blather on too much. Let's talk about what is coming up this week. So the first thing coming up is your essay, which is due on Monday. Wednesday is the Meet with a Librarian assignment, which I've opened up here. It's under Module 6. I wanted to be more clear about how you do this. It does explain it. So you're going to email someone, you can contact someone using the librarian widget on the home page, or you can call, and then basically you get some record of that interaction, and that is your assignment. As far as the essay being due on Monday, I had emailed a couple of you guys and let you know that if it's helpful to turn it in a few days late, that's completely fine. It's up to you. Some of you just want to get it turned in, I'm sure, and others of you would like to slow down a little bit, especially since I got the feedback later than I really wanted to. So that's up to you. Let me know if it's going to be more than, like if you're going to turn in later than Wednesday. I need to know. We need to discuss that boundary. But do take till Wednesday if you need it without even contacting me. Later in the week, you have your readings. And then Friday, you have generating essay 3 ideas. So as far as the extra credit assignment goes for contact a librarian, it's going to make more sense, in my opinion, to let's see. Oh, Meet with a Librarian and Essay 6 Discussion 6A are due on the same day in the course schedule. I'll change that to make that more clear. But yeah, you'd want to look at generating Essay 3 ideas first before, you want to do the, Meet with Librarian. Oh my goodness, this is why I've re-recorded this. I'm so sorry. Look at the generating ideas thing first, and then do the Meet with a Librarian, and then go back and create your post. All right, I think that's all for this week. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Please do look at the rest of the semester in the course schedule of work, just so you can see there's 2 major assignments coming up. They have different due dates, and they're completely different, but they're related. And those are all due in the next 3 or 4 weeks. So it does get a little bit more challenging at this point. Make sure that you continue the same level of discipline and reach out if you guys need help. Have a good weekend.